This is a Spider-Man web shooter. Inside the box, you get an instruction manual. You get a glove that unfortunately will not fit your thumb. You get a USB charger, a screwdriver, a suction cup tip, and the shooter itself. To put this on, all you have to do is flip it over, remove the Velcro, slide your hand through like this so that this is facing your palm, and then Velcro it back together. So this is what it will look like when you're wearing it. Right here is your trigger. When you press this down, this will launch. Right here, you get the option for 2 tips. Right now I got the rubber one on there, but if I pull it off, then it just becomes a magnet. Right here, you've got your reeler, and that's controlled with this back button right here. And then right here, you get your charger. So let's go ahead and try this out. And then to reload it, all you do, push it back in like that, and you're reloaded to shoot again.